And here I am at Godrej Five Gardens. Now this is located right in the heart of Mumbai, one of the most serene locations, which is very close to the other. This is Matunga, and from here the connectivity is absolutely amazing. The Atal Setu is hardly 5 minutes from here. The road that will take you to Worli, that is the highway again, is going to be hardly 5 minutes from here, and also the Eastern Expressway is just right here. Now ये तो हो गई connectivity की बात. Connectivity में और भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं, जैसे कि the monorail is pretty close by, the railway station and the metro station is also काफ़ी पास में. लेकिन इसके अलावा और क्या स्पेशल है इस प्रोजेक्ट में? मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ इसका 3D मॉडल, इसका लैंड पार्सल, इनके आपको मैं कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस बताने वाली हूँ, अमेनिटीज़ बताने वाली हूँ. जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको चाहिए वो सब आपको यहीं पर मिलने वाली है प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड पे. Now this is the land parcel, which is going to be of an approximately 2-acre area, and there are going to be 2 towers, one for the existing members and one for the new members. They are going to have exclusively 3 BHK apartments, which would start from 1410 square feet, and the price begins from 10.22 crore onwards. Now here you can already see that there are going to be podium level amenities. This is the only project in Matunga that will connect you with both the sides on the different highways, and here are the amenities that you can see. Now this is the lounge area, over here is the gymnasium, the beautiful swimming pool, the garden area, the sit-out area, the indoor games and much more. And now I'm sure you want to know about the booking process. Well, the booking window is open. You are absolutely welcome over here. But how are you going to come over here? What is the easiest way to reach over here other than the roads? I'm going to tell you. Stay with me. This is Property Cloud, your favorite PropTech service. This is the place जहाँ पर हम आपको करवाते हैं virtual site tours. Now that you've seen the property, you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process or how can you visit this place? Well, it's very simple. Captions में there's a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on that link, and then our salesperson will get in touch with you and then will help you shortlist the properties depending on your needs and your requirements and your choices. After that, you can of course do the property site visits absolutely free of cost, no brokerage, also with the best payment options and best payment offers as well. You need to very quickly click on the link that's mentioned in the caption, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep seeing such more beautiful properties in your vicinity and across the globe. Well, stay tuned with me on Property Cloud for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.